myself clean from a past that comes back in my darkest of dreams. Been apprehended by a spiritual force and the grace that replaced all the me I have. Hiding the truth. Kamikaze, my death is gain. I've been marked by my maker, peculiar display. The high and lofty, they see me as weak, but I won't live and die for the power they seek. Yeah. He was a man from the desert with lamps on his head. The sin that he walked was also his man. The words that he spoke made the people a soul. Wasn't too much left in the upper room. With skins on his back and the hair on his face. I thought he was strange by the longest he ate. He seemed devastated trip when they heard him speak. Until the kid took the head. It's Jesus Christ. What will people think when they hear that I'm a Jesus freak? What will people do when they find that it's true? I don't really care if they label me a Jesus freak. There ain't no disguising the truth. No, I ain't in the make me a stranger. My best friend was born in a manger. People say I'm strange. Does it make me a stranger? My best friend was born in a manger.
Is that pink bro? Great. I really don't like this show. Wasn't it fun? No. Sure it was. Was it fun? Two.
Yes. There it is. There. You're in this, right?